Living in Doral, Florida, means enjoying beautiful weather for much of the year, but it also comes with the challenge of hurricane season. Protecting your home and loved ones from the extreme winds, heavy rains, and flying debris associated with hurricanes is a top priority for homeowners in this region. One of the most effective ways to fortify your home against these threats is by installing impact-resistant doors. Here's how these doors provide crucial protection for your Doral home during hurricane season. Superior strength and durability impact-resistant doors are engineered to withstand the powerful forces of hurricanes. Unlike standard doors, they are constructed using heavy-duty materials such as reinforced aluminum, steel, or fiberglass. These doors also feature laminated impact-resistant glass, often composed of multiple layers of glass and polymer interlayers that hold together even when shattered. This design ensures that the door maintains its structural integrity when faced with high winds or flying debris. Instead of breaking into dangerous shards, the glass remains adhered to the protective layer, minimizing the risk of injury and preventing wind and rain from penetrating your home. Protection from flying debris. One of the most dangerous aspects of a hurricane is flying debris, which can reach speeds that turn everyday objects into projectiles. Traditional doors are often no match for such forces and can be shattered or blown off their frames. Impact-resistant doors, on the other hand, are rigorously tested to withstand impacts from heavy debris. This means that even if branches, tiles, or other objects are hurled at your home, these doors will stay strong, keeping your family safe and minimizing interior damage. Prevention of wind pressure damage during a hurricane. Wind can create significant pressure changes inside your home if the exterior is compromised. When wind enters through a broken door, it can rapidly increase internal pressure, causing structural damage or even blowing off the roof. Impact-resistant doors prevent this by providing a secure barrier that keeps wind out, maintaining the integrity of your home's structure. By minimizing pressure changes, you reduce the risk of severe damage during a storm. Compliance with local building codes. In areas like Doral, building codes often require homes to have specific protective measures against hurricanes. Impact-resistant doors are designed to meet or exceed these strict regulations, providing peace of mind that your home is compliant and well protected. Installing these doors can also streamline the permitting process if you're making upgrades to fortify your home. Increased home security. While impact-resistant doors are primarily designed to withstand hurricane-force winds and debris, they also offer the added benefit of increased home security. The same features that protect against hurricane damage, reinforced materials and impact-resistant glass, make it much harder for potential intruders to break into your home. These doors are built to resist forceful entry attempts, providing year-round security and protection for your family. Enhanced energy efficiency. Impact-resistant doors offer more than just storm protection, they also improve your home's energy efficiency. These doors are designed to create a tight seal, reducing drafts and minimizing heat transfer. As a result, your home remains cooler during the hot Doral summers and retains warmth during cooler periods, leading to lower energy bills. The added insulation provided by impact-resistant doors helps regulate indoor temperatures, creating a more comfortable living environment. Noise reduction. Hurricanes often bring loud wind and rain, which can be unsettling and disruptive. Impact-resistant doors offer excellent noise reduction properties, creating a quieter indoor environment even during severe storms. Additionally, they help block out everyday noise pollution, such as traffic or neighborhood activities, enhancing your home's overall comfort. Potential insurance benefits. Many insurance providers offer discounts or incentives to homeowners who take steps to mitigate hurricane damage. By installing impact-resistant doors, you may be eligible for lower premiums on your homeowner's insurance policy. These savings can offset the initial investment in impact-resistant doors, making them a smart financial decision as well as a safety measure. Conclusion. Impact-resistant doors are a vital addition to any Doral home, offering unparalleled protection during hurricane season. By safeguarding your home from flying debris, preventing wind pressure damage, and providing added security, these doors ensure your family's safety and peace of mind. Investing in impact-resistant doors not only shields your home during severe weather but also enhances energy efficiency, noise reduction, and potentially lowers insurance costs, making it a wise choice for homeowners in Doral.